Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I want to show you how we take baking soda and turn it into soda ash for tie-dyeing. So we can soak it in the soda ash and make the colors come out more vibrant. So what you do is take this baking soda, which is the sodium bicarbonate. That's what is in the ingredients, and we're going to make it into sodium carbonate by baking it in the oven and making it so it turns into a soda ash. So what I did is I take a cup of the baking soda, 1 cup of it, take a baking sheet, and we dump this in, just like that. Take 1 cup of baking soda. And I like to get all the chunks out of it. Now that we are preheated to 400, we'll go ahead and get it in the oven. Okay, and then we cook it for an hour. So there's timer. And let it cook for an hour. So now that we cooked it and it is done, wait for it to cool. And the easy thing about the tin foil is you can make it a funnel. You can funnel it up. So what I like to do is store the soda ash. We made it into soda ash into a jar. I like to store it into an airtight jar. And you can probably put it in a Ziploc bag or any kind of container like that. But I like to reuse jars and recycle them. And let's take it. And first of all, let's label it and write soda ash on it. So we know what it is. And this stuff should last forever. Especially if you keep it in a nice airtight container. And you have it in your nice container. And I will be making a video of how to use the soda ash for tie-dyeing in the near future. So look for that one. And please subscribe to my channel and like it. And thank you guys so much for supporting my little shop. Come check out Snowstorm Crafts, my little Etsy shop. And until next time.